get to pick first in the next race between your family when you're picking the cars. So our flagman gave a sign, 1 to go. The lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Darrell Williams driving that pace truck. We heard his name mentioned earlier as Jimmy Ambroso Jr. was talking about racing against him. But the pace is going to be set by our 22 driver, Sean Grabinger out of Lakeville, Minnesota, as they're going to pick up speed now. Here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be Grabinger and Bell challenging for the lead. Here comes Bob Peters in the 54 car. Lyle Phillips has joined the pack now. Here comes the 66. Look out. That mean-looking 66. That's Chris Harmon. Chris Harmon challenging Grabinger for the lead already. And it's going to be Harmon to take the lead away from Grabinger. Bob Peters is going to go with him in the 54. And it looks like Ricky Wilson, I believe that's Ricky Wilson at 57. That is Ricky Wilson. He's going to try to go with him as well. So Grabinger starting on the pole and is dropping back a little bit. Whoa, got a little loose there. Grabinger coming in into turn 1. Wilson's going to make the pass on Grabinger. But it's Harmon to try to put it in cruise control and want to run away with the race early. This is an 8-lap race for the Midwest Dash Series. So it's Harmon, Peters, Wilson, Grabinger. Here comes the Moose. And then it's Ashley Bell, and then it's Lyle Phillips. So we are halfway through this first race for the Midwest Dash Series. Five and 3 to go. What's going to happen? Is anybody going to catch the 66 of Chris Harmon? Come on, we want a close race, not a blowout. But I know Chris Harmon likes it. All right, so let's see what's going to happen. Bob Peters feeling the heat from Ricky Wilson. Ricky Wilson challenging Bob Peters for second. Todd Snow challenging Grabinger for fourth. Oh, Ricky Wilson got a little sideways almost. They're coming out of turn 4. Peters was able to pull away that time. White flag, 1 to go for Harmon. So it looks like Harmon's got a win here on this one. Who's going to get second? Who's going to get fourth? Peters gets second. Wilson's third. Snow's fourth. Grabinger fifth. Ashley Bell sixth. And Lyle Phillips, who joined us a little late, is going to pull up the tail of the field. Lyle Phillips, talked to him in the pits earlier. He was up at Thomas Sparta last night racing the Midwest Dash Series and just had some issues with the car, couldn't get it figured out, hoping that today they spent a lot of time on the car last night and this morning, and hopefully he'll get it figured out here by the feature. But let's talk about our driver that just won. I mean, wow, he came out of nowhere. In 96, Acura Integra, V's Vinyl Graphics, MedTech Tuning, Howard's Recycling, Curtis Towing. This driver's out of Shipshewana, Indiana. Yep, Shipshewana. Try to say that 3 times real fast. I'm not going to do it on the mic. I don't think it'll come out right. Anyways, make some noise, race fans. It's Chris Harmon. All right.